Thank you for visiting my channel. Before we start, please hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons to receive notification of future presentations. Our topic for discussion is the Philippine Lemon Law, Republic Act 10642, July 15, 2014. It is an act strengthening consumer protection in the purchase of brand new motor vehicles. What is the Lemon Law? The Philippine Lemon Law protects buyers of brand new motor vehicles who discover defects that substantially impair the car's use, value, or safety within the first 12 months from the date of delivery or within the first 20,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Under this law, if a brand new vehicle shows a nonconformity or defect that the manufacturer, dealer, or distributor cannot repair after a reasonable number of attempts, the buyer is entitled to a refund or replacement. Key features. The Lemon Law applies only to brand new vehicles, not to second-hand or refurbished. The defect must appear within 1 year or 20,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Buyer must first allow the seller to fix the defect through a Lemon Law rights period. A reasonable number of repair attempts is generally 4. If still unresolved, the buyer may demand replacement with similar or comparable vehicle or refund of the purchase price minus a reasonable deduction for use. The purpose of the law is to prevent consumers from being stuck with defective new vehicles or lemons and ensure accountability from manufacturers and dealers. Let us break down the key features. What vehicles are covered? Brand new motor vehicles purchased in the Philippines, sold by authorized dealers within 12 months from delivery or 20,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Used, second-hand, repossessed, or rebuilt vehicles are not covered. What counts as a nonconformity? Any defect that substantially impairs the vehicle's use, value, or safety and is not due to abuse, neglect, modification, or accident. How many repair attempts must the dealer or manufacturer do? You must give the manufacturer or dealer at least 4 attempts to repair the same defect within the Lemon Law rights period or cumulative 30 days in the shop, regardless of the number of repair attempts. If the defect still exists after this, you may invoke your Lemon Law rights. What are your Lemon Law rights? If the vehicle is still defective after the required attempts, the buyer can demand 1. Replacement of the vehicle or 2. Refund of the purchase price minus a reasonable allowance for use. Here is the proper procedure for the exercise of your Lemon Law rights. This is important because courts dismiss many Lemon Law cases because the steps were not followed. Step 1. Written notice to the dealer manufacturer. You must give them a final chance to repair. Step 2. Bring the car for repairs. They must issue a repair order indicating the problem and date and time received. And step 3. If unresolved after 4 attempts or 30 days, file a complaint with the Department of Trade and Industry. DTI will conduct mediation and may require an arbitration process. What you cannot do. You cannot immediately demand replacement or refund without giving the required repair attempts and written notice. You cannot file in court before going through DTI. Jurisprudence. The Lemon Law is relatively new, so jurisprudence is limited, but related decisions emphasize strict compliance with statutory procedures, documentation of repair attempts, and requirement of proper written notice. Here is a decided case on the Lemon Law. DTI versus Toyota Balintawak Incorporated and Toyota Motor Philippines Corporation, GR numbers 254978-79, October 11, 2023. A buyer bought a brand new vehicle which exhibited a jerky movement shift shock whenever the transmission changed gears. The dealer offered to reprogram the ECU or replace the transmission assembly, but the buyer demanded a full refund or replacement instead. The buyer filed a complaint with DTI under Consumer Act of the Philippines RA 7394, arguing that the defect was not corrected within 30 days. DTI ruled in her favor, ordering replacement or refund plus an administrative fine. The case went up to the Supreme Court. In its 2023 decision, the SC held that lemon law is not the exclusive remedy, meaning that even buyers of brand new defective vehicles may instead invoke the Consumer Act or other laws, not only RA 10642. The Supreme Court dismissed the petition on procedural grounds because by then the vehicle had already been repaired. But importantly, it declared that consumers are free to choose which legal remedy to use. This is perhaps the most definitive High Court ruling, clarifying that Lemon Law RA 10642 is not the only remedy. You can still use the Consumer Act or other relevant laws when your brand new car is defective. Thank you. If you find this presentation helpful, please subscribe to receive notification of future lectures.